Okay, hello everyone. Just wanted to jump on real quick and talk to you about week 16. So, this week is a little different. I'm actually giving you guys the option to choose whichever chapter that you want. Any of the chapters that we haven't read so far, you can choose for this week. So, you'll see that if you look at week 16 objectives and instructions, click here, you get to pick one chapter to read and focus on. So 14, 15, 16, and 17. So what you'll want to do is open up your textbook, start looking at these different chapters, the environment, science and technology, war and terrorism, urbanization. They're all really good topics, but we didn't get a chance to cover them. So we only have this one week left, so you guys get to choose. So before you jump in to take the quiz, you'll need to kind of get prepared. The assignment for the week is set up as a quiz, just so that make sure that you address each question in the prompt. So what I've done here is you'll see you're going to pick one, and then it says review your choice week information. So you click on that, and this is all the information that you need about this week. So you'll see that you get to have a choice here between each of those chapters. So I want you to take a bit of time to review each of the chapters, look through, kind of see what strikes your fancy. Is there a topic that you feel is maybe more interesting than others? So science and technology, there's lots of good ones in this chapter. So go through, review sort of the chapter as a whole, just skim through it. Then pick a chapter. Once you've picked a chapter, go through and pick a specific topic. So you'll want to go ahead and read the chapter and then pick a topic. So my example here was I chose Science and Technology, chapter 15. And the specific topic that I wanted to look at was learning more about women in the military and the regulations, specific issues women face, recent changes to the way that women function in the military. So that's kind of what I decided really stuck out to me and what I wanted to do. So this week, you're really going to learn more about this specific topic. Yes, you're going to read the chapter, you're going to learn more about the broad topic, and then you're going to focus down and focus on that specific topic. So here we are, examine and explain. So this is what you're going to be addressing in the quiz. So these are the questions. So you want to examine and explain how this issue is a social problem versus an individual issue. You're going to do some research. So where else can you find reliable information for this specific topic beyond the textbook? NPR, TED Talks, maybe it's a CDC statistic, county websites, and any of those types of things would be totally fine. You want to look at both micro and macro level analysis. So you want to look at maybe more community-based things. Maybe there are research articles, journals that you can find in the Merit database. Maybe they're based on like case studies, like these individual specialized cases. Maybe there's really more macro, like full literature reviews that encompass much greater numbers and statistics and this sort of thing. And then the last thing that you're going to do is identify some programs that have been implemented to address this issue, either past or current. Include at least 2 programs, policies, or ideas that you have or ideas that have been put forward. So, for the example that I give with women in the military, I may talk about new policies that they've implemented to ensure that women are included in more areas of the military. Maybe I talk about, anyways, so that's one example. what else did I want to say about this? Oh yeah, so what I would suggest is as you're going through and sort of drafting this assignment, I would open a Google Doc or Word doc and just be copy paste these questions, answer them out, and then when you're ready, go ahead and open up the quiz and submit it that way. Now, this week is important because it's going to be the basis for your final. So whatever topic you choose for this week, you're actually going to translate a lot of information that you learned from this week into your final project. So I'll make another video about your final project, but this week is really critical in the sense that it's kind of preparing you and allowing you to kind of start your final project. So this week you're learning, gathering as much information as possible. And then next week, you're going to continue to kind of learn for your final project, but you're also going to present the information back. So you really need to learn about the topic enough to be able to present the information back. It's kind of cool. I think you guys, a lot of you this is your area of specialty. In a sense, this is becoming your area of specialty. You really understand these concepts well. You're thinking about these social problems really well. So I don't think this will be really an issue at all. I'm actually really excited to see your guys' final projects. You'll see here that there's some information about the final project. It's going to be a non-traditional way of testing your knowledge. It's not going to be a multiple choice exam. You're going to, like I said, take the information from this week and you're going to translate that into a final project and a kind of teach back. So these are some of the questions here listed that you're going to be addressing for your final exam. Like I said, I'll make another separate video about that. But for now, go ahead and jump into your choice week and pick your chapter, pick your specific topic, start diving into these questions. I want you to turn this in on Thursday because I want you to kind of get started as quickly as possible. Sunday's assignment is just a survey, so you're going to really be focused pretty much on this for the week and then kind of moving directly into the final project next week. Look for that video soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.